Hello, future engineers, subscribers, and viewers, and students. Here is another sample problem video on sway frame solved by moment distribution method. This problem was also solved using the method of least work. In fact, I draw the shear force and bending moment diagrams as well as the elastic curve by completely analyzing the situation as well as the reactions. Here, we'll just determine the joint moments and compare the answers as before. So here's the given figure. Then we have to compute the stiffness of each member. The stiffness of member AB, because A is fixed, all members should be I over L. So 2 over 13. That's the stiffness because the length of member AB is 13. Moment of inertia is 2, so 2 over 13. For member BC, the stiffness is 1 over 8. And for member CD, it is 1.5 over the length. The length of the member is square root of 3 square plus 12 square. So 3 square root of uh, 17. So therefore, 1.5 over 3 square root of 17, the stiffness is square root of 17 over 34. Then we relate this is the expected sideway movement rightward. So for AB, from B, we draw line perpendicular to B, perpendicular to AB. This is the end of B. And for CD, we draw line perpendicular to CD. That's the end of D. So therefore, the vertical movement of the relative vertical movement of B and C would be denoted delta 2. Delta 1 is just delta, and we express delta 2 and delta 3, this is delta 3, in terms of delta. So therefore, this is the relationship. This is delta 2 vertical, this is delta parallel to that, and this is delta 3 parallel to that. So this angle is theta 1. Arctan of tangent of theta 1 is 12 over 5. So theta 1 is 67.3801 degrees. The slope is 12 vertical, 5 horizontal, 13 hypotenuse. And this is theta 2, arctan of 12 over 3 or arctan of 4, 75.9638 degrees. The slope is 4 vertical, 1 horizontal, square root of 17 hypotenuse. And therefore, theta 3 is 180 degrees minus 67.3801 degrees, which is theta 1 minus theta 2, 75.9638 degrees. So theta 3 is 36.6561 degrees. By sine law, delta, which is this, as to sine theta 2, and sine theta 2 from this figure is 4 over square root of 17 equals delta 2. Delta 2 is opposite to theta 3. So as to sine of theta 3, sine of 36.6561 degrees equals delta 3 as to sine of theta 1. And sine of theta 1 is 12 over 13. The length is 13. So slope 12 vertical, 5 horizontal, 13 hypotenuse. So sine of theta 1 is 12 over 13. Therefore, delta 2 in terms of delta is 0.61538 delta. That is sine of 36.6561 all over 4 over square root of 17. This is the decimal equivalent. Delta 3 is 12 over 13 over quantity 4 over square root of 17. So delta 3 is 3 square root of 17 delta over 13. Then the distribution factor at A, 0. Distribution factor at B is 2 over 13 divided by quantity 2 over 13 plus 1 over 8. And let's make it negative, so negative 16 over 29. Therefore, distribution factor for BC is 29 minus 16. So let's just make it negative, so negative 13 over 29. Distribution factor CB is 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 8 plus square root of 17 over 34 expressed in decimal and negative, so negative 0.5076. Therefore, this is 1 minus 0.5076 and made negative, negative 0.4924. The distribution factor of D, because it is fixed, is also 0. Fixed end moment BC is negative 28 square over 12 in decimal, negative 106.667. Fixed end moment CB by symmetry is just the positive of 106.667. Then we begin by distributing this unbalanced moment at joint B. Negative 106.667 times negative 13 over 29, 47.816 lakh partially. Negative 106.667 times negative 16 over 29, 58.851 lakh partially. 106.667 times negative 0.5076, negative 54.144 lakh partially. 106.667 times negative 0.4924, negative 52.523 lakh partially. Then there's no moment here, so carryovers, that's still 0, but I will not put it 0 there. So 58.851 divided by 2, put it here, 29.426. Half of negative 54.144, so lakh, negative 54.144 over 2, carry over here, negative 27.072. Half of 47.816, 23.908. Then half of 0, 0, not shown. Half of negative 52.523 here. Negative 26.262 lakh partially. Then distribute negative 27.072 times negative 13 over 29, 12.136 lakh partially. Negative 27.072 times negative 16 over 29, 14.936 lakh partially. 23.908 times negative 0.5076, that's the value, lakh partially. 23.908 times negative 0.4924, that's the value, lakh partially. Then carry over 14.936 here, lakh partially. Carry over negative 12.136 over 2, negative 6.068. 12.136 times 0.5, carry over here, 6.068. Half of negative 11.772, negative 5.886 lakh partially. Distribute negative 6.068 times negative 13 over 29, 2.72 lakh partially. Negative 6.068 times negative 16 over 29, that's the value, lakh partially. 6.068 times negative 0.5076, that's the value, lakh partially. 6.068 times negative 0.4924, put the value here, lakh partially. Then carry over 3.348 over 2, lakh partially. Carry over negative 3.08, negative 1.54. Half of 2.72 here, 1.360. Carry over negative 2.988 here, negative 1.494 lakh partially. Distribute negative 1.54 times negative 13 over 29, 0.69 lakh partially. Negative 1.54 times negative 16 over 29, 0.85 lakh partially. Then 1.36 times negative 0.5076, that's the value, lakh partially. 1.36 times negative 0.4924, put it here, lakh partially. Then carry over 0.85, half, 0.425, lakh partially. Half of negative 0.69, negative 0.345, half of 0.69, 0.345, half of negative 0.67 here, negative 0.335, lakh partially. Distribute negative 0.345 times negative 13 over 29, 0.155 lakh partially. negative 0.345 times negative 16 over 29.19 lakh partially, 0.345 times negative 0.5076, negative 0.175 lakh partially, 0.345 times negative 0.4924, put the value here, negative 0.170 lakh partially. Carry over 0.190 divided by 2, 0.0195 lakh partially. Negative 0.175 divided by 2, carry over here, negative 0.088, half of 0.155, carry over there, 0.078, half of negative 0.170, negative 0.085. Negative 0.088 times negative 13 over 29 distribute is 0.039 lakh finally. Negative 0.088 time, because that's less than 0.1 anymore, times negative 16 over 29, 0.049 lakh finally. 0.078 times negative 0.5076, negative 0.04 lakh finally. 0.078 times negative 0.4924, put the value here, negative 0.038 lakh finally. Then to balance, half of 0.049 carry over here, 0.024 lakh finally. Half of negative 0.038, negative 0.019 lakh finally. So adding these values, we have first phase 39.112 at AB. Moment AB 39.112 kilonewton meter. For BA 78.224, so this should be negative 78.224. Adding these column values, 68.161, so this should be negative 68.161. And finally, for moment DC, it is negative 34.081. Then we set up the sideway moment for the second part. But before that, let's analyze X here. So by the way, sideway moment for AB for the second phase is equal to formula negative 6EI delta over L square. So for AB, because the sideway is positive clockwise rotation except delta 3, delta 2 rather, which is counterclockwise. Delta 3 is again clockwise. So negative 6 EI of AB2 delta of AB delta length 13 square. So let's just consider 6 and delta equal to 1 because it is common to the sideway moment. So it is negative 2 over 169. I will explain why the value here is negative 19.584 later. For BC, negative 6 EI is 1. Delta 2 is 0.61538 of delta but made negative because the rotation is counterclockwise. All over length square, which is 8 square. So over 64, the value is 0.61538 in the numerator. I will also explain this later. Then for CD, negative 6 EI is 1.5. The delta 3 is 3 square root of 17 over 13 divided by length of this member is 3 square root of 17 quantity square. So simplifying, leaving 3 or 9 times 17, which is 153. The value in the numerator is negative 1.42723. So therefore, the LCD is 13 square for AB, 8 square or 64 for BC, and 153 for CD. So we multiply negative 2 over 169 by the LCD and divide it by 1000 to reduce the moment because it is very high. So the final answer divide by 1000, that's why you have there negative 19.584 kilonewton meter. Then this sideway moment for BC multiplied by the LCD and again divided by 1000. We can do that as long as we divide everything by 1000. So it is positive 15.912. For CD, this value here, sideway moment, times LCD and divide by 1000, so negative 15.437 kilonewton meter. Then let's extend this sloping members. So we'll call that intersection as O because the ratio R in the second place can be solved by statics, and I plan to sum up moments about O so that the normal at A and the normal at D will not be involved. So I'll call this Y, call that X, then this is 8 minus X. So by similar triangles from the figure, Y as to X, Y as to X equals 12 meters as to 5. Then on the other side, Y as to 8 minus X equals 12 as to 3. So equating Y's, Y in the left is 12 over 5X, while Y here is 12 over 3 or 4 times 8 minus X. That's why X is 5 meters, which is also solved in slope deflection equation. So we have here shear at A, which is perpendicular to this member, and normal at A, as well as moment AB, which is assumed to be clockwise. And at D, we have shear at D perpendicular to CD, normal at D, which is along CD and it passes through O, and moment DC, which is also clockwise. So considering this free body diagram, summation moments about O equals 0, then because we have found Y is 12, this is 5, so the distance BO is another 30 meters. Square root of X square or 5 square plus 12 square is 13. This is 3 meters and Y is 12, just like this 3. Y is 12. The length CD is 3 square root of 17. So we have another 3 square root of 17 meters CO. So summation of moments about O equals 0, counterclockwise positive. So we have V sub A times quantity 13 plus 13 or 26 plus V sub D times quantity 3 square root of 13 plus 3 over 3 square root of 13, so 6 square root of 17 meters. Then plus 15 counterclockwise times 12 plus 20, the load, moment of the load, 20 times 8, and the centroid is 1 meter from this vertical line because X is 5, so centroid is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, so that's why times 1 equals clockwise moments MAB plus MDC. So if we draw the free body diagram of just AB, column AB, then we have to consider moment BA as shown. Considering column CD, we have to show also moment CD. So considering AB, summation moment B equals 0, shear at A times 13 equals MAB plus MBA. Therefore, shear at A is 1 over 13 times the quantity MAB plus MBA, which is this. Shear at A is 1 over 13, quantity MAB plus MBA. Then we have 26 as moment arm from the original FBT. Then considering column CD, summation moment about C equals 0, shear at D times 3 over 3 times square root of 17 equals MDC plus MCD. So that means shear at D is 1 over 3 square root of 13 times the quantity MDC plus MCD. So shear at D, 1 over 3 square root of 17 quantity MDC plus MCD. And we just copy the moment arm, 6 square root of 17, then equate to MAB plus MDC. This combined value to the right is negative 340. So 26 over 13 is 2 MAB. 2 MAB minus MAB is 1 MAB or MAB. Then 26 over 13, 2 MBA, not affected. 6 square root of 17 over 3 square root of 17 is 2. So we have 2 MDC minus MDC, so 1 MDC. Then 2 MCD plus 2 MCD. So the value in the right side is negative 340. That's the value that will be left. So let's continue this on the next slide. These are the side sway moments. So just recall this on the next slides. We have the same distribution factors and we have to distribute these side sway moments to compute for the moments at the joints in the second phase. So remember, this is the working equation MAB plus 2 MBA plus MBC plus 2 MCD equals negative 340. So this is now the frame with the distribution factor. The side sway moments calculated in the preceding slides transferred here. Negative 19.584, negative 19.584. This is positive 15.912, 15.912, and in here, negative 15.437, negative 15.437. So we begin, of course, negative 19.584 times 0 is 0, so don't mind the joints A and D, the distribution factor 0. So we begin at B. Unbalanced moment quantity negative 19.584 plus 15.912 times negative 16 over 29 is 2.026 lakh partially. Again, quantity negative 19.584 plus 15.912 times negative 13 over 29, that's 1.646 lakh partially. Then here, quantity 15.912 minus 15.437 times negative 0.5076, that's negative 0.241 lakh partially. Then same value times negative 0.4924, negative 0.234 lakh partially. So of course 0, 0 here. So we have to carry over half of 2.026 here, which is 1.013 lakh partially, half of negative 0.241 here, and half of 1.646 here. Then half of negative 0.234 here, lakh partially. Then distribute negative 0.120 times negative 13 over 29, 0.054 lakh partially. Negative 0.120 times negative 16 over 29, 0.066 lakh partially. 0.823 times negative 0.5076, negative 0.418 lakh partially. 0.803 times negative 0.4924, negative 0.405 lakh partially. Then, because this is 0, 0 there, carry over supposedly, but don't mind. Half of 0.066 here, carry over 0.033 lakh partially. Half of negative 0.418, negative 0.209. Half of 0.054, 0.027 there. Then carry over half of negative 0.405 here. Then lakh partially. Then distribute negative 0.209 times negative 13 over 29, 0.094 lakh partially. Negative 0.209 times negative 16 over 29, 0.115 lakh partially. 0.027 times negative 0.5076, negative 0.014 lakh partially. 0.027 times negative 0.4924, negative 0.013 lakh partially. Then carry over half of 0.115 here, 0.058. So supposedly we stop, we lock finally because these values are less than 0.1, but I just want to make it accurate more because this is approximate method. So let's just have one more. So half of negative 0.014, negative 0.007, half of 0.094, 0.047, half of negative 0.013 here, negative 0.006 lakh partially. So this is the final distribution. Negative 0.007 times negative 13 over 29, 0.003 lakh finally. Negative 0.007 times negative 16 over 29, 0.004 lakh finally. 0.047 times negative 0.5076, negative 0.024 lakh finally. 0.047 times negative 0.4924, negative 0.023 lakh finally. So to balance, half of 0.004 carry over here, 0.002 then lakh finally. Half of negative 0.023 here, negative 0.012 lakh finally. So adding this column, this is the second phase. The value here is moment AB is negative 18.478 Here it's negative 17.373, so we expect that the column values here 17.373. Here, adding these column values, we have 16.112, so add these column values, negative 16.112, then here negative 15.774. Moment AB therefore is moment AB in the first space, then minus 18.478 of R. So first space 39.112, then plus negative 18.478 of R. Moment BA is equal to 78.224, then plus negative 17.373 of R. Moment BC is negative 78.224 plus 17.373 R. Moment CB is equal to 68.161, then plus 16.112 R. Moment CD therefore is negative 68.161 minus 16.112 of R. Moment DC is equal to negative 34.081, then minus 15.774 R. So that's it. Then we substitute the value of AB, BA, DC, CD here. This is the working equation from the preceding slides to solve for R by statics. So 39.112 minus 18.478 R plus 2 times quantity 78.224 minus 17.373 R plus MDC negative 34.081 minus 15.774 R plus 2 times quantity negative 68.161 minus 16.112 R equals negative 340. So combining the constants in the left, that's 25.157, combining the R in the left, negative 101.222 R, then equals negative 340. From here, we can now solve R. R is 3.6075. Moment AB, therefore, because we just compute for the final moments at the joints, 39.112 minus 18.478 times 3.6075, and it is equal to negative 27.547 as compared to negative 27.535 kilonewton meter by slope deflection equation. So they're close, but remember this is only approximate. MBA 78.224 minus 17.373 times 3.6075. So MBA is equal to 15.551 kilonewton meter. So therefore, MBC is the negative of 15.551 kilonewton meter. MCB 68.161 plus 16.112 times 3.6075, and that is positive 126.285 kilonewton meter. Therefore, MCD is the negative of 126.285 kilonewton meter. Finally, MDC negative 34.081 minus 15.774 of 3.6075, and that is negative 90.986 kilonewton meter as compared to negative 91.005. So anyway, that's close enough for this method. So that's it for this problem. I hope that you were able to follow the explanations and the solutions, although it's lengthy, it's really lengthy for moment distribution method with side sway.